Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Your best teacher is your last mistake. If you are doing any mistakes, don't become upset. You are making mistakes means you are learning. You are working on something. So, you can learn from your mistake and you can grow up well. Everyone, get ready with your notebook, pencil. You all have to write with me. In previous lecture, I told you that as we have completed chapter number 7, 8, 9 and 10, before we move on, we are going to make revision of chapter number 7 once again so that you all can memorize it well and you all can make a proper revision. After completing this, we will move towards next. So write down the heading first, everyone. Chapter 7, SUBTRACTING, subtracting. GREATER, greater. NUMBERS, numbers. Chapter 7, subtracting greater numbers. I hope you all are writing with me as well. You all have completed. What is a subtraction? Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. Counting back to subtract. Suppose there were 18 animals watching the race and 3 animals left early. How many animals were left watching the race? (18 minus 3). Start with the bigger number. Here you can see number 18 is bigger number. So start with number 18. Count back 3 numbers. 17, 16, 15. You will reach at 15. So, we can say that there were 15 animals left watching the race. Write down the heading. SOLVE, solve. BY, buy. COUNTING, counting. BACK, back. Solve by counting back. I am waiting so that everyone can complete. Write down the sum. One 9, 19 minus 2. 19 minus 2. Write the numbers on its proper place. Now observe it. Which is the bigger number? Here we have two numbers, 19 and 2. Out of this, which is the bigger number? Number 19 is bigger number. Make 2 steps backward counting. 18, 17. We reach at number 17. 17 is the answer. Copy it properly. 19 minus 2, 17. Write the next sum. 1 to 12 minus 3. Write number 3 just below number 2. 12 minus 3. I hope everyone is writing. Now think. Which is the bigger number? Twelve or 3? Twelve is the bigger number. Make 3 steps backward counting. 12 before, 11, 10 and 9. You reach at number 9. Write the answer. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Leave some space and then write next sum. 16 minus 2. 1 6, 16 minus 2. Now think, which is the bigger number? Sixteen or 2? It is 16. Keep number 16 with you. Make 2 steps backward counting. 16 before, 15 and 14. We reach at 14. Everyone, write down. Sixteen minus 2. Sixteen is bigger number. Keep it in your mind. Make 2 steps backward counting. You reach at 14, which is the answer. Leave some space and then write next sum. 1 1 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2. Write the numbers in proper sequence. Now think, Here, which is the bigger number, 11 or 2? What do you say? It is 11. So, keep number 11 with you. Make 2 steps backward counting. 10 and 9. We reach at 9. 9 is the answer. Write down it on a proper place. 1 1 11 minus 2 9. Till now we have completed 3 sums. 19 minus 2 17. 12 minus 3. 12 is the bigger number. Minus 3 9. 12 minus 3 9. 16 minus 2. Here 16 is the bigger number. Minus 2 14. 16 minus 2 14. 11 minus 2. 11 is the bigger number. Minus 2 9. I hope you all have completed till now. Now leave some space and write next sum 16 minus 6. 1 6 16 minus 2. Now see, which is the bigger number, 16 or 6? As we are doing counting back to subtract. So first of all, we have to find out the bigger number. Here 16 is the bigger number. 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. We reach at number 10. So, copy the answer. 1 6 16 minus 6. By making backward counting, we reach at number 10, which is the answer which we have to copy in the answer box. Write the next sum. 1 5 15 minus 1 5 15. Look, my dear students, in this sum we have both digits in equal. Compare both the numbers. You can find out that both numbers are same. So, this is the rule of subtraction, that whenever we subtract the number with the number itself, we get 0. So, 15 minus 15 is equal to 0, 0. Leave some space and then write next sum. 14 minus 1. 1 for 14 minus 1. Now see, which is the bigger number? 14 or 1? Think in your mind. Number 14 is the bigger number. So, make a circle around it so that we can understand. Now, make one step backward counting. Tell me, if you want to count one step before 14 number, where you reach? Which number comes just before 14? We reach at number 13. 14 minus 1 is equal to 13. I hope everyone make a proper copy with me. Now, we are going to learn and write table of 5. I will repeat this table 2 times so that everyone can make a proper copy. First of all, write the heading. Table of 5. TABLE, table of 5. Five ones are 5. Write the table properly. 5, sign of multiplication, 1 is equal to 5. 5 ones are 5. Five twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 sign of multiplication 3 1 5 15. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 sign of multiplication 4 is equal to 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Everyone at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.